we didn't
within
expand,
space.
you know, we took the space we had and just made it more functional, and that was great.
Right.
You know, you see all
So when you think about if sort of was there any like big aha moment in, you know, during the projects that you had since, you know, we started to work together, like in terms of like the whole like, oh, you know, I get it, or, you know, something that surprised you, or something that was in terms of
I think what I always disliked about this floor was that it was in this room, it was dark in the morning and the kitchen was bright, and then vice versa in the afternoon.
yeah.
So I feel like it lifted the whole space, and that I guess would be my moment. And you remember we put more of a window also over the door. We got so much
Right.
here.
Yeah.
Made a huge difference.
Yeah, I think we just spend a lot more time. Like
Yeah.
we avoided this room, I think, the living room. Now
Yes.
really spend any time here because it just didn't feel like a good room.
Yeah.
And now
Right.
it's a good room.
Yeah.
I'd say the other thing is in the bathroom project, when we finally realized that we didn't need a tub, that we could just
Yeah.
have a shower.
That's true.
Yeah. Yeah, I gave you the okay.
Yeah. And you know, who knows what we'll do with the resale value of the house, but it's what we like. It made the space work in a way that I don't think it would have otherwise.
And even getting rid of the closet too, just that we had thought,
Oh,
we
yeah.
had to have a closet in that,
Right.
you know, just sort of to feel like, oh, okay, we can just
We
get rid
didn't
of the
need
whole
any
thing,
of that stuff.
you know.
And
And I don't think we would have had the courage to do that without you
yeah, like
Just
because we
or the vision or whatever it was that we just, you know, we kept looking at the walls and thinking what to do.
yeah, because it let us we had so much stuff in that closet in the bathroom that it started to feel essential. And
Yeah.
I think we realized with you that, oh, if we just get a vanity with a little
with
more
storage.
space underneath instead of just like one big
Right.
sink,
And
we could
clear
just,
out some
yeah, and then throw a lot of stuff away, of course, that hadn't been
used.
seen or used in 15 years. That helped.
Yes.
I remember this other thing too, that like when we first finished the kitchen, I was like, and we started putting things back in the
Closet.
I
Covered.
was like, we have way too many cupboards. Like, why did we fill up cupboard space? We didn't need all this space. And I think you said like, just wait.
Yeah.
And now,
Yeah. Now it's all full. Yeah, but it's comfortable, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Because I mean, whatever you had before, first it was smaller because we did like expand the kitchen. Remember, we took down we closed one of the doors because there's so many doors to the outside, and we expanded the whole thing. And then you had more cabinets, and they were much more useful because you can pull them out like drawers and all of that. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, sorry.
Oh, just the kitchen. I mean, I love this room, but I think the kitchen is like my favorite room of the house.
It's definitely where we
like,
spend so much, at least for me, spend so much time. So makes a huge difference to have space that's nice to be in and that works well.
Yeah, even just washing the dishes. I'm like, you know, I look out the windows and
Yeah.
Yeah.